snow is coming down really hard. Sounds a little squishy. Oh wait, there's a pothole. I better hit the gas. Oh gosh, what was that? I have no idea what that was. It was a cow. I think it was a cow. Hey, what's that over there? It's a half-dead horse. Some Amishman's beating him with a stick. I can hear it.
You have mastered her.
I mean, the stick. I can hear it. Oh, that's it. Interesting. Look out! Rhinoceros. I almost hit a rhinoceros. What's that swinging in the trees? Oh my God. There's a naked man. What's Tar what? You don't want to know what I just saw Tarzan doing. Wow. I'll tell you, this is rough. I ran over a frog. A lot of frogs out here in the snow. Snow frogs.